Hey everyone, it's Michael. How are you? Today is my fourth video in my 2023 Folio series. Again, I am showcasing Folio number 1. I have already shown you Folio number 1 using a Chanel collection, the Rose and Mint collection, and the Succulent collection. This folio uses Kraft cardstock and 3 different collections from Arte Facil Artesanato. It's the Cafe, Book, and Letters collections. Now, when I say collections, the Cafe collection only consists of 3 sheets at the moment, and the Book and the Letters has, I believe, 6 sheets each. So before I take you through how I decorated the folio, I wanted to just quickly take you through and show you these amazing, what I think are amazing papers. So I'm going to start with the Cafe collection. So this is the Cafe from Arte Facil Artesanato. This is Cafe 1, which is the first page. This old-fashioned advertising. This is the reverse side. And you got this coffee kind of color going on, coffee stained. This is Cafe 2. So again, I'm going to go into my card making mode. This would be a really cool card front, just for a square card, just for a coffee lover, you know? This would make a cool card also. And then this is the reverse side, which I think is kind of awesome. I love the little macaroons with the coffee and the cafes. This is Cafe 3. Now, this doesn't really work outside of Brazil unless you speak Portuguese. But these are all the cut-aparts, all coffee related. And then this is the reverse side, which other than being coffee colored, but this would make a great background card. I like it this way, but imagine this as a background and then this maybe fussy cut and put on here with a coffee sentiment. Just saying. Okay, that's coffee, cafe. This is the book line. So this is book 1. This is the reverse side. And we have book page 2. Have the books here, typewriter. Then we have some dark blue colors, which I thought was interesting. And one of the reasons that I made this folio using these 3 collections is because they kind of all overlap. Like this is books, so you have the books and you have letters here and you have coffee, you have the stamps. So I felt like it went kind of hand in hand. This is page 4. I love the postcard down here. This is page 5. Have all the books. Again, slimline card. That's the reverse side. This is page 6, which is cut-aparts on one side. Again, this is books. So you have books, typewriter, letters, stamps. And then this is the reverse side. Now, this is the letters collection. So this is letters number 1. I love this, oh my gosh, as a slimline. It's very masculine and feminine at the same time. This side. This is letters 2. Which again, even though the typewriter and there's letters, you have this here, which could be a book page, you know. This is the reverse side. So you have typewriters, coffee or tea. This is page 3 with this large old-fashioned mailbox. And I love this here. You know, looking at this, I love when I take you guys through this because I get ideas as I'm doing it. And I can see me cutting this out, making a slit, and putting these into the slit. So, okay, card idea. This is letters number 4. Again, we have the letters here, the old-fashioned letters with the wax seal. That's the reverse side. Letters 5, again, these mailboxes. I love this. And then these, I think in my folio, I used one of these for a photo mat, one side of a photo mat. So this would be kind of cool to cut over here and then score here and have this lift up so that there are letters inside. That's, I already showed you that side. Okay. And then this is letters 6. This is the cut apart page. So you have some mailboxes, the letters, pens, flowers, typewriter, and then that's the reverse side. So now let me just quickly show you the folio I made. So I decided not to use black paper on this one. I went with Kraft. I did not distress the edges. I probably should have, but that takes up a lot more time. But it would be very different if the edges were distressed and this was distressed with like a vintage photo. But so have the magnet closure with the ribbon. I didn't have any brown or coffee colored ribbon. That's the cover. The back, I went with this. This is coffee beans on the plant. And then you open this up, and I have this here with the books. And it just keeps going. So starting on the right, I have my little pocket, and I used one full sheet here. Not a full sheet, but I didn't make this two separate sheets, so this is the same design, just cut down the center. I did do 3 photo mats, so this is the mailbox I was talking about. This is the other one. And this is that coffee that I thought would be cool to fussy cut. So there's 3 photo mats there. And I did it in the portrait size because all of these are landscape. So here in the center, I did a little waterfall construction again. And these are fussy cut from this part here. And on the first one and the third one, I put some foam tape behind it to kind of raise it up. I don't know if you can see it there. So, and I went with this as the main, because this is just solid on next to it. I thought, as I was cutting this, I thought I would use this here. So we have that as the first one. And then I just went through and made the different photo flaps. This would also be really good as a simple travel folio if you went somewhere over the weekend, a little town, and you didn't take that many photos or you didn't spend that much time in the town, maybe for a day or two. Then over here, just a full page spread. This is easily for 2 photos here or 1 photo large. Even a small like Instax type photo can be used here. And then over here, I have this with the typewriter. I originally had 2 photo mats like this, but the papers were the same kind of colors and it kind of blended in. So I switched them out and I went with these darker blue because this actually is the full page. I just split it in half. So that's for 2 smaller cards, 2 smaller photos. And that is it. But I really love this cafe paper with the books and the letters. Anyway, links below for the tutorial once it is up and running. I would love for you to like this video if you liked it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of these papers. I already know a few people that are going to leave comments on this one. And I will be back soon. Okay, I have 1 more folio to show you and then the tutorial. Okay, Take care, everyone. Thanks for stopping by today.